Alexa, is the door locked?
Checking. Hang on. Wink said the door is unlocked.
Alexa, lock the door.
Locking. Hang on.
Alexa, unlock the door.
Just to be safe, I can't unlock smart devices yet.
As you can see, it is at the moment only possible to lock your door with the Amazon Echo, but it is not yet possible to unlock your door with the Amazon Echo, mainly due to safety concerns. You are able to unlock your door via the Wink app. This being said, today we will be connecting an Amazon Echo with a Schlage Z-Wave lock via a Wink Hub 2. So how it works is that when you give an instruction to the Amazon Echo like Alexa, lock the door.
Locking. Hang on. Wink lock the door.
Then the Amazon Echo will transfer the instruction to the Wink Hub 2 via their respective servers, and the Wink Hub 2 will transfer the instruction to the Schlage Z-Wave lock via the wireless Z-Wave protocol. We will start by connecting the Wink Hub 2 with the Schlage Z-Wave lock. We open our Wink app on our mobile device. We tap on Add a product. We search for Schlage. And we tap on our respective Schlage Z-Wave lock model, which in our case is the BE469. We tap on Next. 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 We tap on Connect Now. We tap on the Schlage button, followed by the unique programming code which you'll find on your product manual. And we finish by tapping on 0. We are shown a success message on the lock indicating that the parent process was successful. The Wink app will indicate that it has found the Schlage Z-Wave lock, and we tap on Name Lock. We rename the lock to be named Door. We tap on Done. We tap on Done. We have hereby successfully paired a Schlage Z-Wave lock with a Wink Hub 2. Now that we have successfully connected the Schlage Z-Wave lock with the Wink Hub 2, we can now connect the Wink Hub 2 with the Amazon Echo. We open our Amazon Alexa app on our mobile device. We tap on the left top menu button, and in the menu we tap on Smart Home. We tap on Smart Home Skills. We tap on Enable Skills. We search for Wink. We tap on Wink. We tap on Enable. We log in to our Wink account. We get a success message indicating that Alexa has been successfully linked with Wink. We close this window. We tap on Discover Devices. We can see that Alexa has found our Schlage Z-Wave lock. We can now communicate with our Schlage Z-Wave lock by, for example, asking, Alexa, is the door locked?
Checking. Hang on. Wink said the door is unlocked.
Alexa, lock the door.
Locking. Hang on.
Paired.
Wink lock the door.
We have hereby successfully paired the Amazon Echo with a Schlage Z-Wave lock via a Wink Hub 2.